Finally, we made it. I'm super late though because my flight was delayed. Something in the plane broke. But I'm not upset because I know I noticed this past few days a lot of things haven't been going my way. But then after what I witnessed, well, I didn't witness it, but almost witnessed the Halloween fest at South Korea. I was there. But then I left early because my feet was killing me. And then I found out later on that 150 people have died from the stampede on the Halloween fest at Korea. So now every time something doesn't go as planned or doesn't go my way, I know God has a reason for everything. So I'm not upset. I'm just glad I made it finally. Muntik pa ako hindi makapasok. I almost didn't make it in also because they couldn't find my ticket through Expedia. But I'm here. So I'm still thankful. Okay, let's explore.